this morning. So we've got the direct blowing in showers. Some of them will be wintry on the tops of the hills and mountains as far south as North Wales. These represent the wind gusts. Gales down the North Sea coastline with the combination of spring tides. It does mean there could well be some overtopping. And the Thames Barrier, interestingly enough, closes for the 200th time today at 10:15. That's a combination of spring tides, tidal surges and of course the heavy rain that we've seen recently. Temperatures 7 to about 13 or 14 degrees, but tempered by the wind, especially down the east coast. Now through this evening and overnight there'll be some clear skies. Still a lot of showers coming in on that brisk wind, some of them getting over towards the east. It's going to be cold. In fact, in some sheltered eastern areas it could well be cold enough for a touch of frost despite the wind, but for most of us it's going to be too windy for a frost. So tomorrow we've got this little ridge of high pressure that sits across us, a weather front sinking south, pepping up the showers that we're likely to see. And there will be more cloud around tomorrow than we're looking at today. So once again, still quite a few showers coming in, but the wind won't be as strong. So temperature-wise, we're looking at 8 to 14, very similar to today, but just not feeling quite as cold because of the wind easing. This weekend, though, if you like it to be a bit milder, it is happening because through the course of Friday into Saturday, this ridge of high pressure starts to slowly move away, allowing the Atlantic fronts to come in from the west. And that's going to bring in milder air with them. We start to pull in a southwesterly wind as opposed to the cold northwesterly that we currently do have. So on Saturday, we start off with some early sunshine in central and eastern areas, but you can see there will be quite a bit of cloud around. And ahead of our weather front coming in, there'll be some patchy light rain and drizzle in western areas. And then in comes the rain across Northern Ireland initially. Now, overnight, Saturday into Sunday, this rain will continue to push eastwards. On Sunday morning, this is roughly where it will be as a weakening feature. So we'll have a band of cloud and the odd spot of rain on it. But out towards the west, we are looking at a good rash of showers. Some of those could be heavy, but we still will have southwesterly winds, so it still is going to be mild. Temperatures 12 in the north to about 16 in the south. Nugget and Charlie, almost tropical, but not quite.
Not quite. Hold your hats is what I say. Carol. Hold your hats. How about that?
That's a good one for today, Charlie. Definitely.
Good. That was a good one.
For
Just
today.
put that in the book.
For
that
today.
was a good one.
What's not said?
8 minutes past 9.